If this is the first time you are watching my video or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below and click the bell button to turn on the notification. Some of the holes have water. Drainage on this side is not very well, but on the other side is quite good. So far, so good. Let's see how the day pans out. Seems like it wants to rain again. Thus far, that's the way it looks. We intend to now put them into the holes. Some holes have water, but you're going to remove the excess water. Then fill up the holes and let them continue with the rest of the pixies, the small ones. We have about 40 more which are going to be planted. These are 6 months old, so that's about 5 more plants to go into the holes. Thank you, Jehovah, for rains. It's been good.